What did Jesus say about God? Bible nuggets. Jesus spoke about God in numerous ways, reflecting his intimate relationship with the Father and his own divine nature. Here are a few significant verses from the Bible that capture Jesus' teachings about God. 1. John 14:9-11. Jesus reveals the unity of the Father and the Son. He says to Philip, "Whoever has seen me has seen the Father," emphasizing that his words and works are in perfect alignment with God's will, as the Father dwells in him and performs his works through Jesus. 2. John 10:29-30. Jesus speaks of the Father's greatness and their unity, stating, "I and the Father are one." This declaration affirms the deep connection and unity between Jesus and God, underscoring their divine relationship and the security of those who belong to Jesus. 3. John 8:42. In a discussion with the Pharisees, Jesus says, "If God were your Father, you would love me, for I came from God and I am here. I came not of my own accord, but he sent me." This highlights Jesus' divine origin, his mission sent by God, and the relationship that should exist between believers in him. 3 main takeaways. 1. Unity with the Father. Jesus' teachings emphasize his unity and oneness with God, not just in purpose and will but in essence. This unity is central to understanding the nature of God as revealed in the New Testament. 2. Revelation of God. Jesus reveals God to humanity. Through his words, actions, and very being, Jesus shows us who God is. Seeing Jesus is akin to seeing the Father, which is a profound way of knowing God. 3. Relationship offered to believers. Jesus' discussions about God are not just theological statements, they offer an invitation to a relationship. By recognizing Jesus' divine origin and mission, believers are called to love and follow him, thereby entering into a relationship with God himself. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents, welcome to our family. https://jesusleadershiptraining.com/about us/